Hello guys and welcome to STEM with Elijah. Today we are going to make our sunglasses. Here I've already got my name changed and now we're going to make it. So if we go into basic shapes, we need a cylinder. Now I'm making these sort of cool looking glasses. You can make whatever type, but this is just at the moment what we're gonna do. So now I'm going to make my square thin and turn it into a hole. I'm also going to extend it to 30. So if I go and click on top view, if you press shift and right click, then you can easily see what's going on. Now I'm using my arrow keys as an easier way. You don't have to do the same thing, but you can. Okay, so now that I have this, I'm going to try to stretch it out so it's length. Oh, no, not what we wanted. Okay. I've just Control Z everything. Okay, so we've got our little square now that we know how much that we want. Okay, then if I go right click, then group, this is how you cut a hole. If you group with a hole shape, then it will cut that shape into whatever size that you want. Now I need to duplicate, and out comes my second one. Now I'm going to get another cylinder. You can just click that arrow to shorten it if you think that it's getting into the way. And then I'm going to get another cylinder, but I'm going to change it into a hole. And from the top again, and shift and move. Okay, now I've got my rim. I can group. There we go. That's going to be my nose piece. Now we just go into the side. You get the top one, shrink it down to about 5, I think. That would be the best. And then you hover over here and slide it to 90 degrees. There we go. Now I've got our nose piece. We should also do the same thing to the sunglasses. Shrink it to about maybe 7. There. Oh, nuts. Okay. Oh, 7. There we go. Now at the moment, if I just go up, looks like a sad face. But if I go over here there, I've got some little sunglasses. But before I do anything else, I'm going to duplicate one more, move that to the side, because we'll need it for later. Okay, now I'm going to group this and change its color to black. Okay, now our sunglasses are coming together. I'm now going to make the transparent part. So if it's 20, I'm going to shrink it down to 19. Then if it's 12, I'm going to shrink it down to 11. I don't have to worry about the height. So, yeah. Maybe I should shrink it down a little bit. Oh, I'm raising it. Might have to do Control Z. Okay, there. We might have to change it just a little bit. Maybe go to 18 and 10. Okay, now I'm just going to leave it there, so then I can see. Okay, that looks alright. If I just get the same one and duplicate it. Ooh. Now, I can make this easier or snap the grid into smaller pieces. I can make it 1 millimeter. So then when I move, it will make it very, very, well, yeah, hard to move. I'm going to keep them all into the same room, and as you can see, it's moving quite slowly because I snapped its grid into 1 millimeter. I need to click on the orange, change those to holes, group, now we've got our holes. At the moment, they look quite weird. But we're getting there, Okay, now if I click this, I'm going to transparent it and change it to a dark grey for mine. Now that's moved in. Let's just check it's all good. Not all good at the moment. Move it to the side just a little bit. Nope. 2 more. Now this might take a long time. Oh, there we go. Now we have it. I'm gonna re-snap my grid to here. Then I'm gonna click on that, duplicate it, and there. Oh, nope. I might need to snap it back. Just move it a tiny more there, half. Okay, so now we have our sunglasses, or our actual glasses part. I'm going to group them all. Now they'll turn all transparent, but not to worry, multicolor will come in handy. Okay, there we go. Now, I don't know why the multicolor didn't work for transparent, but yeah. Okay, so now we'll move on to the next part. We have now hover over here and change it to 90. Okay, yep. Now I might rise it as well, so then it goes to 0. There. We might also shrink it a bit down as well. Shrinking and done. Okay, now we can highlight it again, ungroup it, and our shades will almost be done, or our sunglasses. Okay, so now what do you think we should do? Pause the video and think about it, and now I'll tell you the answer. We're going to make the earpieces. So these bits might be a bit hard, but we will just do, because we're beginners, we're going to make it nice and easy. Just start off with that thin line. Get to that little black square, extend it to whatever length you want. I'm going to extend it to 40. Yep. And then I'm going to get my cylinder and shrink it down to about 5. Here, 5, and then here, 5. Also, something that a teacher taught me when I was learning about Tinkercad is when you're using a circle, it won't be the exact same size. So Tinkercad might look like it's a full circle. So if I had it like this, then I changed it just by 25 and maybe extended this part to 25 as well. May look a bit like a circle, but that's just the Tinkercad program. It won't look exactly like that. It'll look quite different. So if I change this back to 10, and then we go up, we can move our cylinder close. And then change it into a hole, highlight it, group it. Now we've got our little earpiece. Now we could do a longer, like a better one, but because we are beginners and I'm just teaching you how to start it at the moment, we won't try to go too hard. Now let's go to here and flip that over to 90. Also change this to 1, the thinnest you can get, so then it'll come up with the best possible mark. Now rise. And, oh, okay. I'm going to change this just to be 4. Maybe 4.5. Yeah, that's perfect. Now that that's in, I can duplicate it. And I don't have to worry about its height now. I can just slide it across all the way to here. And there you have it. We have our little sunglasses. If you have explored Tinkercad, you might see there's actually sunglasses in there, in the not in the basic shapes, but in general. But because of, well, yeah, it won't really teach you that much, we have created our own. So, because it's good, I'm going to highlight it, put it into my shape collection, and make sure maybe I could use it another time. So that's making sunglasses. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now.